We are the Source Container Houses factory. Welcome to our factory. Every step in our factory is tightly controlled for quality. Made from high-quality steel and can be easily assembled and disassembled. All the pieces of the unit are detachable and can be sorted into pieces. Let's discover precision in every step. Strict quality control ensures success. We are professional container houses manufacturer, making various types of container houses. If you are interested, please subscribe and contact us to get more details.